Who told the sun where to stand in the morning? And who taught the ocean you could only come this far? And who showed the moon where to hide till evening? Whose words alone can catch a falling star? For I know my Redeemer lives. Oh, I know my Redeemer lives. Oh, let all creation testify. This life within me cry. I know my Redeemer, He lives to take away my shame. Oh, and He lives forever. I'll proclaim that the payment for my sins was the precious life He gave on that.